Understanding the phrase, reset. Hello dear learners. In today's video, we will dive deep into understanding the phrase, reset. This is a common word in the English language, and by the end of this video, you'll know its meaning, how to use it in sentences, and some of its common contexts. Reset is a verb that originally comes from setting something again or differently. In simple words, to reset means to set something back to its original state or to start over. Example: after the software update, I had to reset my phone to its factory settings. 1. Electronics and devices. It's commonly used when talking about electronic devices. If a device is not working properly, sometimes you might need to reset it. 2. My computer froze, so I had to reset it. 3. Games and sports. When players need to start over or go back to the starting point. 4. The chess players decided to reset the board and start a new game. 5. Mindset and emotions. It can be used metaphorically to talk about taking a break or starting over mentally or emotionally. 6. After a long week, I need to reset my mind with a weekend getaway. 1. Reset to often means to return something to its original state. 2. I reset the clock to 12 o'clock after the power outage. 3. Reset on refers to focusing on something anew or starting afresh with regard to a particular aspect. 4. Let's reset our focus on the main objective of the project. Sometimes, reset is used in more figurative or idiomatic contexts. Hitting the reset button. This means starting over or trying something again with a fresh perspective. After a year of challenges, the company is hitting the reset button on its marketing strategy. We hope that this video has helped you grasp the various meanings and uses of the phrase, reset. Remember, like many words in English, the context in which it's used often determines its exact meaning. So, keep practicing, stay curious, and hit the reset button whenever you need a fresh start in your learning journey. Happy learning!